Hi friends, I'm Tucker, here with my buddy Benny. Oh Benny, that sound was loud. Sometimes loud sounds can feel scary or too much, and that's okay. When sounds feel too loud, we can help. We can cover our ears or find a quiet space. Let's go somewhere quiet together. I'm glad, Benny, you listen to your body. Friends, remember, loud sounds can feel scary. Cover your ears. Find a quiet place. Everyone's ears are different. That's okay. That's today's lesson from Tucker Says.